Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how easy you can remove tempered glass from your screen. So at the first, you have to put your fingernail under the tempered glass, so I can recommend you to start from one of the edge, for example from the bottom. So just put it like that. Try another time. And then move your fingernail to the second edge, like that. Okay, and then simply put your second fingernail under this tempered glass and just make it like that. Remember to do it slowly and don't break the glass. What I can say, we have to make it gently, to be honest. And as you can see, after a few moments, it's removed. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.